What is up, guys? We are here in a bit of a different location today. We are at this amazing vert ramp. What a beautiful place. I am so hyped to be out here. And we have the young, legendary shredder, JD.
Sup?
He is unbelievably good at skating and at transition. And you know, I've been dabbling a little bit with some vert skating, some mini mega skating, all those kinds of things. So I think maybe you can just teach me some moves, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
Like,
What do you want?
let's just try to progress. That's what skating's about, trying to progress each session. So, you know, I did the air at Woodward, but I think I got a long way to go. I'd love to do a smooth air, maybe some lip tricks. I feel pretty good there.
I don't know why you think you can go to Woodward across the country and learn vert without me there. I don't know what you think this is.
I know. I'm hyped for lots more vert sessions.
All right,
fun.
so I'm gonna have Mowgli up here with you guys, so you can just teach him anything and everything you want.
Well,
Okay.
first up, I was skating the mini mega with these trucks, so they're extremely tight. So I just gotta like try to remember how to loosen them a bit. I mean, I'd love to do another air, but I don't know if I got the juice right now. But I think I could do like a fakie ollie to like switch rock and go in. I think that's a trick I could do. Maybe not an axe stall, but just like a little 50-50 grind, you know? That'd be cool too. But it's easy to talk a lot of things before I've even skated, you know?
True. All right, well, that's my trick right there, so.
Can I have a go?
Long ones don't have the angle yet.
I'm gonna be able to drop it. Alright, ready?
All right, Ricky Ice.
Alright.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Alright, that feels pretty good.
Yeah,
Look at
The
you.
size of this ramp, I feel like I can do a few things. And I feel like that truck's alright.
Woo! Watch yourself, Mo.
That was a close one.
If I do an indie air, watch out. If I don't make it, might do it, yeah.
Why don't you show him a little bit of a run that's like a basic run that maybe one day I will be able to achieve, you know?
Yeah.
So maybe just like some basic tricks, basic airs,
Yeah,
something fun like
sure.
that. Alright, let's see
Okay.
it.
Little basic run, maybe. I think you got that one.
That 5-0.
If I can do an air
crazy.
like that, oh. Alright, what do you think, Mowgli? You think I can do that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, well, let's start with just some backside 5 scratch things. Alright, back 5.
Yeah.
That was pretty good. That was alright.
good, that was
you got
good.
The, you got
Wow.
the cool sound. I mean, where do we go from there, though?
What about back 50?
Yeah,
Trrr.
I think I could do that. Can you do long grinds on it?
Yeah. Yeah.
That'd be
Definitely.
rad. How?
Hey, Ricky!
How?
Ricky, you got that! That's all you!
That's crazy. How can you just do an air like that? Judo
Just
and then what was
sent
that
the
one? Like
foot
nose
out.
burn? Damn.
Dude, that judo was just like,
My
woof.
air's like this. When I did the backside, it was like.
But you gotta start off somewhere, right?
Yeah, definitely.
How long did it take you until you were able to air out?
Maybe about, when I first started, maybe like 6 months or something.
6 months?
Yeah, and then after that,
Were you skating the vert ramp almost every day?
not every day, but whenever they had sessions, I always came. Yeah, this is like where I learned everything mostly.
That's sick.
Yeah. Yeah, Ricky.
Oh, whoa! How you feeling up there, Ricky Ice?
I mean, he's good, dude. He's very good.
What are you
But I feel
thinking?
good. Like, I like the size of this variant. I just gotta get a bit used to it.
An axle stall? The
I think I could do a 50 and like, I don't know if I call it 50, but I could put the truck down, so there'll be 2 trucks on there. I would love to do another air though, but I just gotta get a little bit. But I'll do a fakie ollie next. I'll do a 2 5-0s and then fakie ollie. so cool.
He just said it's all mental. That's literally all.
I agree.
He said if you can skate the mini, then you can do this.
100%. But
I mean, I'm repeating what he said.
I believe him. But the thing is, you can't go 0 to 100. You gotta progress. Get the mind straight away. You gotta build the mind up. Maybe I'll do some fakie ollies. I felt a little bit weird on that one.
Yeah! To rock.
Yeah, I gotta figure out these trucks because I'm feeling a little bit wobbly. I think I gotta like figure them again.
Wow! Look at you with the
that
slide
was
out.
Technically air, sort of.
Hey, do you skate vert? You skate vert, Rick.
I like that.
Oh.
I can do that and go kind of high, I reckon.
Hey, are you gonna do the axle drop in? Oh
Let me
yeah.
warm up a bit more though.
Yeah, dude.
Wait a little longer, then
You're trying to fake it disaster?
I gotta relax more. No, I'm still just gonna fake it ollie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You make me feel like I can do that.
Yeah, you got it.
Drop in.
Look.
GC drop in. Leave it in the comments below. 0-1. Cut that in.
Oh! Yeah! Look at you, Rick!
Good.
That was pretty good, right?
That was rough.
Sounded good.
Went above.
You look like $1 million.
Dude, it's so fun because what I love about skating is like you just change it up a tiny bit and then you're a beginner again, and then you get all that love of being a beginner.
Yeah, Ricky!
Big one.
Woo!
How's that coping feel?
Yeah, good. What do you think's easier, rock to fakie or like fakie pop?
Well, for me, I learned fakie ollie to rock. So
First?
yeah, that's what I learned
See, I
first.
thought so. But see, it's just all commit, right? But see, I feel pretty comfortable going to my knees, but going like backwards, then it's like, ooh, what do I do? You know what I mean?
Make it.
You know what I mean there? Forwards, I'm like, oh yeah, knee slide.
Yeah, Ricky.
Yeah. Whoa! Oh my God!
Friday night, we got JD demos going on here. Whether there's
he
an
did.
audience or not, it's on.
He did a fakie nose grind
Pop.
pop in.
That
That
was
is
heavy.
intense.
Yeah.
What happened?
So
He just
perfect.
let it go?
Yeah, and just maybe a tiny bit more on top, I think he would have landed it. So he definitely got it next try.
Backside kick up Indy like that. Right here, boom.
That was dope.
I gotta do one.
Hey, Ricky, you got that.
Alright, backside kick up Indy.
Got it. Okay.
Hey,
Yes, Ricky. Yeah.
That was good.
Back to
was
back.
scary. I don't know how you're not scared, dude. It's up.
You like skate?
I like skate. Alright, what are we doing? Backside air?
Oh yeah.
Rock to fakie? Dude, I kind of feel like I could rock to fakie, but how scary is it? I think I've done a 10-foot one.
Oh yeah, you got it on here.
But that
for
was
sure.
like a while ago. Should I
Okay.
just like
It's
practice?
the same as like on the mini, but you just gotta think of it as the same.
Yeah,
It's
just
just
rock
a little higher.
slower. Slow, slow,
Hey
slow.
everybody, happy Friday the 13th.
Alright, I'll come around and then I'll just think about it.
Happy Saturday, Friday the 13th.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh man, I definitely could I just have to like straight away do it.
You doing the rock to
What do
fakie?
you think, Gabe?
I think that's fire. I think you can do it. I think you got a full send. But I believe in you because you like skate.
I mean, he just did a switch fakie nose grind pop in. Can you do some rock to fakies for me just to
Yeah.
show?
Do it
Sure.
over here so he can
Okay, I'll
see
do
it.
it.
Like,
Alright,
did you see it?
I did.
What do you think now?
I felt the fear come into here.
Whoa.
I think I can do it though. I mean, I saw what you do. You're just real slow and then you did it like around here, right?
Yeah.
Just
Is
real
it bad
gentle.
if it's like closer to like?
Yeah, you don't want
Oh,
that.
yeah.
You don't
Yeah,
want
you
that.
don't want that.
See, I
If
even
you
I know.
clip,
It's got to be a deep rock.
don't clip.
You know, like I do an air and I understand how to bail, but doing this, I don't really know how to bail. You just
Then
don't.
backside air.
But I want to do this first.
Oh, we'll do this then.
You reckon I should do it off the drop in? Or go up, one pump, then up, then pump and do it?
What I would do, I just do like a kick turn and then go into it. Or you could drop into it,
from a
which is
kick
the
turn.
same.
Do another run. Let me do another run.
Oh!
Dude,
Ricky on!
Rick!
You!
As soon as I touched, I was like, I'm not gonna land it, but now I know what to do. And it's like, what am I trying to do? Put my wheels on a thing and roll down. That's a very technical trick, eh? Exactly, I gotta do it now. All right, I think I should go on that side and then do it off the drop in.
Yeah.
Because I feel like the angle, it made me a bit nervous.
You got it, Ricky!
I want to do it again, but whoa.
How'd that feel?
Sketchy, dude. Sketchy. But you know, the first one, it's always like, woo! Dude, for real though.
You got it.
Did I earn your
Just got
respect?
it. Yeah.
All right, I'll do another one now.
Yeah!
We out here hitting the butt lines, baby. Imagine if I could do that in a line. Rock fakie, fakie ollie backside air. Woo!
Feeling good?
Feeling very.
Look, you can end the video, Ricky. You can end the video.
No, you can do it.
No. I want you to end it. But my God, you go to Woodward one time and come back and you're doing this.
I like skate.
You like skate. That was insane. I've never seen anything like this in my life. I'm like a scared little schoolboy down there watching my friend fearing for my friend's life. I like skate just dropped today, and this man is out there risking his life. That was amazing, dude.
Hey, you gotta keep it going. You can't be complacent, you know? You gotta keep progressing, keep pushing. I've done some hard ledge tricks. Why don't we go to a big ramp, do the most basic thing, and terrify myself? Sounds like a good plan to me.
That's right. JD, come here real quick. You got a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, I just started it.
Shout that out.
It's JD Sanchez on YouTube. Go subscribe. Just started and doing some learning videos. So yeah, you guys can go watch that.
What's your Instagram?
It's JD Sanchez with 3 underscores. So yeah.
Follow you. I want to follow you right now.
He aired over us.
Links in the description below. Let's get it. Ricky, take us out of here. I'm done. I'm going home.
All right, there are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Let us know what vert tricks you want to learn next, what crazy videos you want to see, what fun things you want to see us do. We want you to learn how to skateboard, and we have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you in the next one. Ow!